Teacher tip 62. Establish good rapport with parents and administration. Make yourself available to parents by appointment or parent-teacher conferences. Teachers and parents need to work together to help the students. So if you have a good relationship with the parents, you can work together to help the student to improve. If you have a bad relationship or a close relationship, that will have an effect on the students and they won't respect you because their parents don't like you either. So work at maintaining a good relationship with parents. Of course, you should stay professional, but help each other to help the students. Also, most teachers know that their best friend is the custodian and the lady at administration because they can help you solve a lot of the problems you might have in your class. So build good relationships with everyone at the school, but especially with administration and the parents. Teacher tip 63. Know security drills and disaster procedures. Learn the school rules and policy. As a teacher at school, it's up to you to know everything about the rules and the drills at school. So know exactly how to handle fire drills or earthquake drills, or if there's an emergency. Also practice those with your students. You've got to know those school rules very well, so that if a student acts out or does something inappropriately, you know what the school rules are and you can ask them, okay, what are the school rules about this? Please don't do it again. The best schools have a strong policy that the students and the teachers know very well. Make sure you learn all of these rules and all of these procedures. Teacher tip 64. Be organized. Have all your paperwork on file. As a teacher, there's so much paperwork to be done. You should have your grading ready, your planning, your files on all your students, the procedures. There's so much to do. So the best thing is to have everything done and organized. Because if you suddenly need to find something, some kind of evidence or find some grades, you have to find it quickly to show it. This is one of the most important things about being a teacher. It's being organized and having everything ready, knowing where everything is. It's very difficult for a teacher who is not organized to be functioning at 100%. So have all your filing done, all your paperwork, know where everything is. If somebody comes to you and says, we need that file, you should be able to produce it immediately. If you're talking to some parents and they ask you about their child's grade, you should be able to produce that evidence to show them. So very important, be organized. It will make the rest of your teaching life a pleasant experience.